Hi everyone, welcome to this week's tech tip. My name is Thais and today we're going to see the rename panels option under the edits menu. So I'm just going to zoom in my sample file here and we are just going to select a few panels. And in your walls menu, we want to go to edits and click on the first option, rename panels. This is an existing command that's been there for a while, but we do have new functionality added to it. So we have a few options that are new. And because I've selected a few panels only, this is what I'm going to see in my table here. But if you don't select anything and you go right away to click and rename panels, it will upload a full list of your entire project. So in that case, you would see all the panels in your project if you don't select specific panels. Okay, so for the purpose of the exercise, I've just selected a few panels. And this is existing functionality. If you go over them and you select either the prefix or the number, it will show you where that panel is in the project. So let's say if I try this one or this one. So it will let you know where that panel is. You will be able to visualize it. Other existing functionality would be to manually modify the prefix or the numbering as well. So you could manually modify the number and the prefix for all panels here if you'd like. But the new functionalities would be that now we have this extra column here that will let you know if that panel it's already in a sheet layout. So if you already have shop drawings generated for that panel, it's saying invalid here because it's probably because I do have a drawing, but I need to recreate that drawing, so it's not up to date. So you have those three options, those three statuses that you could see in this column. It could be either invalid or set to no or to yes. So no would be you still don't have any drawings created for that panel. Invalid would be you need to recreate that drawing for any given reason. Maybe it's because you had an update, you have a change in your panel, you needed to regenerate that panel, and now that drawing became invalid and not up to date. So you have to recreate that drawing. And yes would be yes, you have that panel already with a drawing created and it is up to date. So you have these three statuses that you could check. And the other new functionality would be to automatically rename more than one panel instead of manually writing the number. It's a little bit more automatic now. So if we come here to number and we say we're going to restart now at 5,000, for example, if I hit OK, so with my keyboard, I'm going to click enter. So enter in your keyboard, and then it will ask you if you'd like to restart renumbering the sequence from this value. I'm going to say OK. And then it will ask me to pick the cells where I want to renumber. OK again. And I can go ahead and manually select all the panels that I want to renumber. So that behavior is very similar to the renumber panels option that we have also under edits, but it will be from this list here instead of the actual project clicking in the labels. So you can go ahead and modify and renumber as many panels as you'd like in the order that you like. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click OK. So one of the examples here, if I select this panel, now this one is the new one, the exterior 500. Oh, sorry, 5,000. And that's it for today's tech tip. See you guys next week.